In this video, we listed the 5 best Anycubic 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and versatility. With a travel speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm² acceleration, its ultra-stable Core XY construction, dual-motor drive, and Kobra OS system minimize vibrations for smoother and more accurate printing. It supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, TPU, ASA, ABS, and PETG, thanks to its full metal hot end capable of reaching 320 and a hotbed that maintains up to 120. The printer is user-friendly, featuring LeviQ 3.0 auto-leveling technology for effortless setup and automatic Z-axis compensation, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. It also offers one-click printing through Anycubic's Mako Online model library, which provides access to thousands of free designs. Additionally, the Anycubic app allows for remote monitoring of the printing process via mobile devices like smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer is a high-performance, user-friendly device designed for versatile and efficient 3D printing. It supports multicolor printing, allowing up to 4 colors with the current setup and up to 8 colors with the upcoming Anycubic Color Engine Hub launching in late 2024. Featuring intelligent design elements like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, drying, and RFID sync, it ensures a seamless printing experience. The printer boasts impressive high-speed printing capabilities of up to 600 mm per second with 20,000 mm² acceleration, making it 12 times faster than standard FDM printers. Additionally, its vibration compensation technology, powered by accelerometer G sensors, ensures smooth and high-quality prints by adjusting motion control. Easy to assemble and operate, the pre-installed, auto-leveling Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is perfect for beginners and professionals alike, offering a powerful and convenient solution to dive into the world of 3D printing. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners, offering an impressive combination of speed, size, and advanced features. With a maximum printing speed of 500 mm per second and 10,000 mm² acceleration, it is up to 10 times faster than standard FDM printers, while its large printing size of 12.6 by 12.6 by 15.7 inches allows for the creation of models with a volume of approximately 41 liters. The printer is equipped with smart app control, enabling Bluetooth provisioning, firmware updates, real-time video monitoring, online slicing, and remote management for a seamless user experience. Its effortless auto-leveling system intelligently compensates for Z-axis offsets, ensuring successful prints, while the optimized configuration, including a direct extruder and dual-motor dual Z-axis structure, enhances material delivery and cooling for smoother operation and fewer visible layer lines. Additional features like vibration compensation and flow control improve printing accuracy and quality by eliminating resonance lines and ensuring even layer deposition. Backed by excellent customer service with a 1-year warranty, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly choice for high-speed, high-quality 3D printing. Number 4. Anycubic Mono M7 PRO. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 PRO is a high-performance 3D printer designed for ultra-fast and precise printing. With its advanced features, it achieves impressive speeds of up to 170 mm per hour using high-speed resin and 130 mm per hour with standard resin, significantly enhancing printing efficiency. Equipped with a 14K monochrome LCD screen offering a resolution of 13312x5120 and a fine 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers XY resolution, it is capable of producing highly detailed models, including printing holes as small as 0.3 mm. The printer employs the advanced COB Light Turbo 3.0 light source system, ensuring over 90% light uniformity and improved printing success rates through a light-off compensation algorithm. It also features upgraded functionalities like dynamic temperature control for resin, an autofill resin system, and intelligent detection systems for component connection, residue, resin levels, failed prints, and platform installation. These features simplify the printing process, reduce errors, and enhance overall reliability, making it an ideal choice for users seeking precision and efficiency in 3D printing. Number 5. Anycubic Cure 3 Plus. The Anycubic Wash and Cure 3 Plus is a versatile and upgraded cleaning and curing solution for LCD 3D printers, offering enhanced compatibility and efficiency. With an expanded washing size of 8.97 foot, x 5.03, x 10.23, and a 13.4% increase in washing volume to 7.6 L, it accommodates a wide range of printers, including models like Photon Mono M5S, Photon Mono M7 Pro, and Satin 3/4 series. Its innovative FlexiKey gooseneck light design significantly boosts curing energy within close irradiation ranges, improving the solidification of intricate model areas. The device also features a newly arranged lens light source, delivering a 20% improvement in curing uniformity for better model quality. The dual-layer PP cleaning basket supports efficient IPA utilization with adjustable heights for platforms ranging from 6.6 to 10.6 inches. Additionally, the double-layer curing platform enhances curing efficiency by allowing more models to be cured per cycle. Constructed with durable materials like polycarbonate, aluminum alloy, and ABS, the device offers reliability and convenience for professional and hobbyist 3D printing needs.